Hello, everyone. My name is Myron, and today I would like to cover how to set up your Cash App so that you can fund your Crypto 300 account. Now, there are two main options I believe that are really good, which are the Cash App and the Coinbase wallet. Okay, so it's easier for most people to get started with the Cash App, so I'll be covering that one. And so let's get right to it. Okay, so if you haven't established a Cash App account, first thing you need to do is go to either the Apple Store or Google Store, depending on what type of phone, if you have an Apple or Android phone, and download the Cash app. Then once you do that and you launch that app, you'll see the green screen with the Cash App, and then you're ready to get started. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is set it up with either your phone number or email. I prefer email because if you use the email choice, you can possibly set up two accounts if you need it to using the same phone number. All right, and then once you do your email, then it'll ask you for a name for the account. All right, so then the next step is to just link it up with a bank account, with a debit card, or a credit card so that you're able to load funds onto your Cash App. And, um, and then after that step, then we go right to setting up your Cash App tag. So your Cash App tag is the name that you'll use. It'll be a dollar sign and whatever name that you choose. If it's available, it'll go green to the next. And so that's the next step. You'll see where you can send the Cash App to friends, possibly. You can either do that. I usually just skip that part, and once you do that, you are ready to roll. So welcome to Cash App. Now from here, what we want to do is once you open the app is open. You want to look down in the bottom left corner. You'll see the symbol for the bank. All right, and when you click on that button, so the next thing we'll see is a screen that says banking. So you'll see the deposit or Bitcoin. So you want to click on the Bitcoin screen because we want to be able to set up our Bitcoin wallet. So once we click that, first time you should see another screen pop up and appear, and it'll say enable withdrawal and deposit. So you want to click that button right there, and that brings us to the next thing, which is the verification screen. So these are things you're gonna need to have your driver's license with you. They're gonna ask you to answer a few questions, and also you'll need a four-digit pin code. So after you click that button, so this is what it'll appear, and then you just click continue to go forward, and that's where it will ask you for your driver's license. So that and you'll be prompted to take a picture of it, the front and also the back of your driver's license. Um, Possibly ask you for a name and social. But after that point, you're done for a few minutes as far as trying to load funds on it. And then once that's clear, you'll get a text to your phone from Cash App saying that you can move forward in that process. Okay, so you are well on the way. Okay, so next, once that part takes place and you get that confirmation rate back, so then we want to come back to our Cash App screen, and this time we're going to click on the little squiggly line, which is your investments. Okay, so once you see this screen, that should be the first one to appear. That'll say stocks, but you want to slide that bar over to where you see the Bitcoin. Okay, and once you slide that over, you'll see buy Bitcoin instantly. And the easiest way to do it is just place your finger right on the blue Bitcoin symbol and slide that screen up, and then you'll see where it says buy, and you'll click that button there, and then now we're ready to set up for the purchase of your Bitcoin. Now, you can choose any of those buttons, and that'll set you up. It'll click next, and then you rate to the confirmation screen. So since we want to make sure that we have, if we're going to start with $100, we want to make sure that we have a little bit more than the $100 in the account to get started. So we want to make sure it says one-time purchase, and then also then we want to click on the button with the three dots, and that will prompt you to add the dollar amount that you want to get started with. So what I chose was 105 to get started, and that'll make sure it covers any of the fees in the transferring of the Bitcoin. Okay, and then we click next. So then you're into the confirmation screen. So you confirm, and guys, that means you have just confirmed and you're ready to get started because you have your Bitcoin in your account. So the next thing that we want to cover, and I'll do that in the next video, is funding your Crypto 300 wallet. Okay, now hopefully this video was a help for someone, and if you liked it, give a thumbs up, and we will see you on the next video.